Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on guitar tips, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to use Soundboard on your Roblox and how you can use this app. So in this video I'm gonna demonstrate the easiest way on how we can use the Soundboard on the Roblox VC on voice chat and how we can use this. So the first one, we need a tool in order to use this. For that, what I need to do, let me exit from this. And what I'm going to do is let me close this Roblox over here for the time being. And over here in the Google Chrome here, we need to search for a software called Voicemod. This is one of the best one in my knowledge, which is one of the best software where you have to download this, get into this. And this is the official site of the Voicemod, and you have to get into this particular site. Now from here, this is absolutely free and you can download for free, and you have to click on this one and it will be installed on your device. What you need to do is we just need to wait for a little bit of time, and as you can see, download it started. Now it is downloaded. So what I need to do is after that, just go over here, go to the downloads. You can navigate to the downloads. Now from here you have to run this over here. The .exe should be running, and now we have to follow small kind of steps where you have to set your language. What is your language? Go for English. Now we have to install it just like the usual way how we used to install any kind of software, and just go for the next. And make sure that you put a check on I accept the agreements and all the terms, and you have to go for the next. And also make sure where you wanted to install this. If you wanted to change it, you can change it, but let me recommend you can keep this here itself and go for the next and create a shortcut, and you have to just go for install and you have to wait. Now as you can see, the installation is being processed. It is quite fast as it is, and once the installation is done, you can just launch the Voicemod on your device. But sometimes for some users, when they're launching it for the first time, it might be ending up in updating. If that is the case, it might take a little bit of time. So all we have to do is we just need to wait for this complete process to get completed. So it will take a little bit of time, not much. Let me wait as well. Now once it is done, you have to put a check on this one, launch Voicemod, and go for finish. And right now, like I said, the Voicemod will be launching up right now, and sometimes it might go through any kind of updates as well. If any pending updates are there, it might go through the update, but in most cases it used to be in the update, or else as you can see, it's gone through an update. So we just need to wait hardly 1 to 3 minutes. So guys, now we need to just click on get started and make sure it will be cross-checking. It is successing your, it is going through a login verification. And once you're done with this one, just go for next. And here it comes very important. So you have to select the right input device. So in my case, I've already selected the right input device. You have to select it, and make sure that if you're using any kind of headphone, you have to select headphone, or else you can select the right default device and go for next and go for start using Voicemod. And right now we'll be getting a few greetings over here like this. There is a new version of VoiceLab is available, and also if you wanted, you can go for it. And this is the Voicemod over here. And right now from here you have to go to the soundboards over here. As you can see, these are some of the available free sounds over here, and you can add it. So that right now this circular is over here. As you can see, it is clean mic, which means I've already added it. And right now you need to add any kind of sounds from here, or you can just go over here and you can check it. But we have various options over here. If you go scroll down, and you can check various kind of things. And if you go to this particular section over here, you can see we have all contents, and you have to see sounds, voices. You can get sound if you wanted to, or if you need voices, you can get the voices, or we click on all kind of sounds, and everything is available. And it is also, we have pro versions where we have to pay. So I don't know how much it comes around, but in the default one, even though in the free version, we have almost everything. And once it is done, you have to close this, and now we need to go back to Roblox. You just need to close this and navigate to the Roblox over here. Now in the Roblox, we need to make few changes. First one, let me exit this particular one, because this is not, I need Roblox with mic support, voice chat supported. So I'm going to leave this. Let me leave this. And once I leave this, I just need to go back. Now I'm going to search here for mic up. I'm going to search for the mic up, because mic up is the one with supported with the voice chat. So let me click on this one, and let me join this particular version. So once I join this particular experience, as you can see, this is the new one, and as you can see, this is supported with the mic. And now as you can see, it is all getting everything over here. So what I need to do is I just need to go over here, and once I get into this is the Roblox over here, as you can see, and I have to go over here on the Roblox. Now I have to navigate to the settings. Now the first and foremost step is all about, if you go over here, what you need to do is you just need to go to the input device. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find. So guys, now what we need to do is just go over here. First, before that, you have to make sure one thing. Just go over, click on this one and navigate to the settings. Now from here in the settings, you have to scroll down and you have to find over here, you have to find, sorry, let me go over here. Now from here you have to find the output device. As you can see, we have various options over here for the output device. So you have to select the right device from here. So for example, as you can see, the voice mode is what I selected right now. I have various options like speakers. I have various options. So let me select let me close this once again. I got it hang. So let me go to settings once again. If you scroll down on the output device, I have selected the voice mode. Now if I go to the voice mode, as you can see, it might be, if I just go over here and coming back to this one, it might say it is already connected. And right now, if you go to the Roblox and if you started by turning on your mic, you have to turn on your voice chat. The moment you turn the voice chat, when you started playing, when you started talking over here, we can talk with these kind of sounds available in the mic from various kind of sounds from the soundboard, and you can talk in your Roblox and you can talk to them, and or you can create any kind of sounds as well. And if you wanted to create any kind of custom sounds, it is also possible. So just click on add button over here and you can just click on upload. So what happens is you can add any kind of your own custom voices, so you can talk to friends while playing on the Roblox as well. So this is what you have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.